5 ways to troll your friends. And yeah, this is 5 ways. So, number 1. I guess number 1. Parachutes. Parachutes is one of the new cooler things in the game, and yeah, you can weaponize them with a click of a button, and then use scaling tool quickly. You can make it so the parachute freezes in midair. Oh no! Oh no! I forgot. Noxab has hammered on. He has hammered on me, and there we go. Then turn the collision off, and then on. There we go. That is very annoying, and like, if you didn't have Shamrock on, it would absolutely so annoying. I'm gonna turn that then there. Whoop. There. Okay, let's go. Okay, quickly. You can also yeah. Now they yeah. Haha. Yeah. Haha. Noobs. You noob. No. Um. This. I think they're confused. They don't see it. Like, look at that face. None of them are looking. Oh my god. Okay. Now to number 2. Oops, not gone. Balloon. You can do the same thing with balloon. So I guess it can be part of the. Oh my god, people, humans. There. Oh, be gone. Okay. Also, this thing you can make it like just red and it really hurts your eyes. Oh wait, green screen. I forgot. So green and then I know. Want me to like him? Okay, I don't think. Yeah. Mm, Another way to do like just really annoying. Oh my god, is do the invisible chair trick. Like put a bunch of chairs everywhere. Oh no, it's transparency. No. Oh wait, I have anchor block thing. Yep. Um, like spam a bunch of these around and the thing, and then oh. Now this thing is like one of the, and also collision off. So that like when they walk in, like oh wait, what the? Oh, that was so unexpected. Guess 7895036 is totally not trolling right now. And oh my goodness, the lag. But that's fine, because I think I know what that gives us to the fourth one. Lag. I don't have a lag machine in here, but I know how to make one. You just stack like tons of cannons and then save it, load them, and then unload them. It's so laggy. And if you want to go to the second extent, you could go duplicate it and save load, duplication with the AFK grind and stuff. Something like that. Okay, down to the final one. Hinges. Hinges are one of those things that I love. Oh, remove the portal. And you can kind of do this like anywhere in your plot. So, okay, so like that. You're anchored. You're anchored. Oh no, you're not anchored. You're. Oh god, it's always hard to get the angle. Oh, Cassia got broke free. I hope Noxa does not unfriend me after this. This is probably annoying to him. Anyways, hinges are like super annoying, and that is like 5 ways. I think maybe I did 4. That's 5 ways that I could count of yeah, annoying your friends, trolling your friends.